Tsunami, when the ocean rises in fury, causes, consequences, and lessons for survival. On December 26, 2004, a powerful 9.1 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Sumatra shook the ocean floor and triggered a colossal tsunami that swept through 14 countries, claiming the lives of more than 230,000 people. Within moments, towering walls of water dozens of meters high engulfed coastal cities, leaving a haunting scar in humanity's collective memory. That natural phenomenon, the tsunami, is not merely a blind rage of nature, but rather a violent yet systematic expression of Earth's deep geophysical forces. It is a physical consequence of tectonic movement occurring far beneath the ocean's surface, a realm often invisible to us, yet harboring energies far beyond our comprehension. Microscope. What is a tsunami? Water that doesn't just flow. A tsunami is a special type of ocean wave, massive in size and immense in power, typically triggered by geological events such as underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or large-scale landslides. Unlike regular waves generated by wind and confined to the surface, tsunamis move entire columns of water from the ocean floor to the surface, traveling at speeds of up to 800 kilometers per hour, comparable to a jet airliner. What makes them terrifying is their subtlety in the open ocean. A tsunami may be only a few centimeters high and nearly undetectable, but as it approaches shallow coastal waters, it rises dramatically into towering walls of water, unleashing devastating force on everything in its path. Volcano causes of tsunamis, the Earth's hidden movements. Several mechanisms can trigger a tsunami. Underwater earthquakes, when tectonic plates collide or slip past each other, the seafloor may suddenly uplift or subside. This rapid displacement pushes massive volumes of water upward, forming a tsunami. Submarine volcanic eruptions, explosive eruptions, or collapses of undersea volcanoes can drastically alter the seabed and generate powerful waves. Landslides or ice collapses into the sea. Large chunks of earth or ice falling from cliffs or glaciers into the ocean can displace water and create localized tsunamis. Meteorite impacts, rare. The impact of a large meteorite striking the ocean could, in theory, produce a massive tsunami, a scenario explored in extinction theories from prehistoric times. Collision consequences beyond numbers. When a tsunami strikes, it doesn't just wash away the visible. It leaves behind deep, long-lasting impacts. Loss of human life. In mere minutes, tens of thousands of lives can vanish. Survivors often endure physical injuries, the trauma of loss, and long-term psychological scars. Infrastructure destruction. Homes, hospitals, schools, roads, and utility systems may be reduced to rubble. Communities are temporarily paralyzed. Economic collapse. Coastal regions dependent on tourism, fisheries, or ports can lose their livelihoods overnight. Damages may total in the tens of billions of dollars. Environmental pollution. Saltwater inundates farmlands. Debris, waste, corpses, and chemicals spread widely, raising disease risks and destroying ecosystems. Police starlight detection and survival, a race against time. Nature often leaves warning signs, but only the knowledgeable recognize them. If a strong earthquake has just occurred near a coastal area, be alert. If the sea suddenly recedes and exposes the ocean floor, evacuate immediately. If you hear a deep, rumbling sound from the ocean, like a distant airplane or a low roar, it could be a tsunami approaching. Do not stop to observe. Do not take photos. Do not hesitate. Run to higher ground and get as far inland as possible. Survival is not a matter of luck. It's the result of preparation and rapid response. Globe showing Europe-Africa tsunamis and climate change, an indirect link. While climate change does not directly cause tsunamis, it can amplify their dangers. Rising sea levels allow tsunami waves to travel farther inland. Melting glaciers and polar ice increase the risk of landslides into the ocean. The destruction of natural barriers like mangroves and coral reefs removes vital protections against tsunamis. End arrow conclusion. Lessons from the ocean. A tsunami is a harsh but honest message from nature. Earth is not harmless, and humans are not all-powerful. Yet if we learn, listen, and act in time, we can survive and live in harmony with this planet. We cannot stop tsunamis, but we can learn how to survive them. In this age of growing natural disasters and global climate change, knowledge is the most powerful shield. Let us share it, teach it, and prepare ourselves and our communities. Because survival does not come from luck, but from readiness.